morning viewers, welcome to our Square Maths YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss very important and interesting problem on logarithms which is connected to trigonometry. It is very useful for MSET and other competitive examination levels. So here what is our given question? So log of sine 2x base 0.1 plus log of cos x to the base 10 is equal to log of root 3 to the base 0.1. So pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3 and 2 pi by 3. Which is going to suit? We have to think now. We have to do it. So here, what is our given question? Let us start our problem now. Solution. So given log of sine 2x to the base 0.1 plus log of cos x to the base 10 is equal to log of root 3 to the base 0.1. So if you observe carefully, let us we have two terms. Here the base is 0.1, here the base is 10 and the RHS you have 0.1. So in order to apply here a property of the logarithms, here we should have the same base. So the second term we had reduced to the same base, nothing but 0.1. So here I can write it as log of sine 2x to the base 0.1 plus log of here cos and sec are reciprocal to each other. 10 and 1 by 10 also reciprocal to each other. So now here I can write it as sec x and here it is 0.1 and here it is log of root 3 to the base 0.1. Now both LHS and RHS are defined with respect to the same base. Now applying the property of the logarithm, so log of here I can write it as sine 2x into sec x to the base here 0.1 and here it is log of root 3 to the base 0.1. So eliminating log on both sides because with respect to the same base. So now I can write it as sine 2x into sec x is equal to here it is root 3. Now sine 2x is nothing but 2 sine x into cos x. Again this can be written as 1 by cos x is equal to root 3. Since the operation is multiplication, here cos x and cos x will be eliminated. So 2 transforming to other side becomes here sin x is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay. So here sin x is equal to root 3 by 2 implies, now I can write it as x is equal to here 60 degrees. Also it is valid for 120 degrees because sine of 120 90 plus 30 lies in second quadrant. So again I am going to get here plus cos 30 nothing but root 3 by 2. So this implies x is equal to 60 degrees and 120 degrees. Now expressing in the radians I can write it as this is pi by 3 and this is 2 pi by 3. Now the natural question or confusing question arises for the student here. Which one to opt, whether it is pi by 3 or 2 pi by 3. Our option is again we have pi by 3 and 2 pi by 3. Okay. So if you observe carefully in the second term we have log of cos x to the base 10 here. Okay. So therefore I have only x is equal to pi by 3 because the reason is nothing but cos x is always positive here. Okay. If I consider here cos x nothing but cos 2 pi by 3. Okay. Cos 2 pi by 3 is nothing but cos, here it is 120 degrees. Now I can write it as cos of 90 plus 30 degrees. 90 plus 30 is nothing but lies in second quadrant. It will be cos will be here negative, so 90 nothing but here sine 30 degrees. So here it is minus 1 by 2. So logarithms are defined only for positive real numbers. Since here we are going to get negative, therefore we have to consider only pi by 3 as our answer. Hence, x is equal to pi by 3. So in this way we can avoid the confusion how to get the options A, B, C, D after solving the problem. If you are going to get like this confusion, go for the conditions, basic concepts of logarithms and trigonometry, then here we can avoid. So here our option is C option, nothing but here it is C, and hence x is equal to pi by 3. So here again also we got here x is equal to pi by 3 comma 2 pi by 3. So after doing this, please check it. Here we will get a contradiction. Hence x is equal to pi by 3 is the only solution for the given problem. So in this way we can overcome our confusion by going through the conditions. So after watching the video, please viewers subscribe my channel. You can have the comments in the comment box, share it and like it. Thank you.